welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm going to the bank and I'll also be running a few errands. So let's go, guys. Hello guys, good morning. Today is another day. So it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to head to the kitchen and start cooking. Guys, today I'm going to prepare pan-fried cassava and salad with grilled chicken. So that's what I'm going to do for today. So let's see how it goes. Guys, I feel like I need to explain the way I cook. My system personally can't take a lot of animal protein. For plant protein it can, but for animal protein no, just not much. So if you see any clips of me cooking with a lot of animal protein, that means I'm cooking for somebody. Maybe I have a friend over and I'm cooking for it. Personally, I don't take a lot of animal protein. That's why you see me cooking with just one egg, a little bit of fish and other things. So I feel like I need to explain this to you. So guys, this is cassava in its raw form. Raw fresh form. This is how cassava looks like. But today I'm not going to use the raw form. I'm going to put this in the freezer and use it some other day. This is what I'm going to use. This is cassava that has been in the refrigerator. No, this has been in the freezer and I've allowed it to defrost. So this is what I'm going to use for today. So this is the defrosted cassava that I'm going to use for today. And here are the rest of the ingredients. So guys, this is frozen chicken. For the salad, I'm going to use young dandelion leaves, bell pepper, tomato. This is chicken mesh. This is actually a spice. And then for the spices, I'm going to use garlic, shallot. You can use any other onion that you like. Then paprika pepper. And then for finishing the salad, I'm going to use ground black pepper. That's it over there. Rosemary over there, and then salt. My salt is almost finished. I'll refill it today. And then extra virgin olive oil. This is what I'm going to use. So this oil, the spices, So let's just get started. Guys, don't feel pressured to use the cassava. You can substitute the cassava for potatoes. Please, not sweet potatoes, regular potatoes. Yam, if you can get yam at where you are. Cocoyam. You can substitute all of this for the cassava. I personally like the taste that the cassava gives. Please wash your hands before cooking. If you decide to use your hand and not spoon, you have to make sure you wash it very well. Guys, my frying pan is old. I just bought a new one. I'll use that in the next video. It hasn't arrived yet, that's why I'm still using this old one. I believe the next time I make another vlog, it would have arrived. Guys, you can discard these spices, the rosemary and the garlic that I fried earlier, or you can just add it back to it when you are done. Sometimes I just throw it away and discard it. Sometimes I also add it back, depending on the mood I'm in. Guys, this food is for 2 days. I'm not going to eat everything today. I'm just going to guys, for the salad, you can add any vegetables you like. I personally prefer the tomatoes with this combination. So I'm going to go ahead and make a Greek dressing, then add it to it and then eat it. So I'm going to make it out of the olive oil that I showed, lemon, vinegar, black pepper, salt, and some small herbs, then add it to it. So basically these are what I'm going to do and then add it to it. So guys, with the dressing you can add cilantro or any other herb that you like to it. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I just leave it like this. So today I'm going in for just the basic, so just these 4 ingredients. So I'm going to pour it on the salad and then enjoy my food. So guys, food is ready. Food is ready. Look how delicious it looks. Oh my goodness, I'm so starving. Pan fried cassava, grilled chicken, and salad with good dressing. I've already poured the dressing on it, guys. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.